A wireless relay is an electronic device that enables remote control over various electrical circuits and appliances without needing direct wiring. It operates using a transmitter and receiver setup, where the transmitter sends a wireless signal, typically via radio frequency, RF, or Wi-Fi, to a receiver connected to an electronic switch or relay. When the transmitter activates, the signal prompts the receiver to switch on or off the connected device, such as lights, motors, or home appliances. Key functionalities of a wireless relay. 1. Remote control allows users to control devices from a distance without physical connections, making it convenient for applications where direct access to the switch is challenging. 2. Energy management. By remotely controlling devices, users can manage energy usage efficiently, turning off devices when not in use. 3. Home automation, often integrated into smart home systems, enabling users to control lights, fans, and other devices via mobile apps or voice commands. 5. Safety and security, reduces the need for physical interaction with high-voltage devices, enhancing safety in industrial and residential setups. Signal types can use various wireless signals, including RF, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi, for different ranges and response times. Thank you, and I'd be thrilled if you could take a few minutes to watch it. Your support means a lot, and if you enjoy the content, feel free to subscribe for more. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey with me.